we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of InBrave heavy-duty collapsible wagon cart, foldable utility cart with extra large capacity and drink holders. Consists of the following features. Spacious 120 liters wagon. Built around a steel frame wrapped in 600D Oxford fabric, this collapsible wagon effortlessly transports luggage, gardening tools, camping gear, and other heavy items. Sets up in minutes to a spacious ready to tackle your toughest hauls with rugged durability. Compact 3-second folding design. A patented mechanism allows the portable wagon to be folded quickly, reducing its footprint by more than 80%. Stores vertically in the trunk of a car without tools. All-terrain wheels. Our grocery cart comes with two 360 degrees rotation off-road front wheels that glide easily over a variety of terrain. Whether you're shopping, hauling groceries, or heading to the beach, campground, or fishing spot, the collapsible wagon with wheels will help you increase your transportation efficiency. The wheels are removable, making cleaning and storage easier. Humanized handle. The handle of folding wagon extends from 26.6 to 35 inch and can be adjusted to any angle within 90 degrees. When you release the handle, it will automatically spring back to the vertical upright state, avoiding getting dirty or damaged after touching the ground. Practical design. Made with heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric, this garden wagon is waterproof, wear-resistant, and easily removable for quick cleaning. Built to handle years of outdoor use. Plus, two front cup holders keep your drinks secure and within reach while you're on the move. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.